Good morning, everybody. It's 4:45 in the morning here in beautiful Southern California, and I'm going over to the Derelicts car show in Huntington Beach, California. So here's a little breakdown on that car show. I hope you enjoy. Here in the sort of half-complete 69 Volkswagen Beetle, but it doesn't really matter because this is a car show for the car lovers. I'm on my way to Derelicts at Adams Avenue Donuts in Huntington Beach, California. Now I know us car lovers love waking up early and nothing will stop us from showing off our sweet rides, but I'm just throwing it out there. 5 o'clock is so early. How about we all just unite and say let's just call it 7, it'll be good. We can sleep a little longer, we can hang out longer. Just throwing it out there. So what makes this car show so cool is it started 35 years ago. Nobody really knows the exact date. As just a group of car guys meeting for donuts before their daily routines. The shop owners started calling these group of guys a bunch of donut derelicts. And then one of the original members, Rick Finn, created a logo, so the name stuck. The car show today is still one of the coolest car shows. There's no fees, there's no flyers, it's all word of mouth, and that's how you figure out what's going on with this car show. Fast forward a few years, and that small group of guys has turned into a couple hundred every Saturday morning. You'll see Tri-5s and rat rods and everything in between. Everybody just coming here to get some bomb donuts and coffee. I'm here, so I'm gonna go get me some donuts and check out the show. Alright, I'm here with Justin and he's showing me his 62 pickup. So what do we got here, Justin?
So it's a 62 Chevy C10. It's got an 85 C10 front clip on it, as well as a 79 Camaro powertrain. So it's got a 305, 350 tranny with the Camaro rear end. It's airbagged, and we just recently had it repainted, and it's got a nice wood bed in it, as well as we just put some new 17x9 rally wheels off a Corvette. So it's a pretty nice car. I like it a lot. Thinking about keeping it. In the winter, I might go to an LS in the winter. I'm not sure yet.
All right, thanks a lot, Justin. Right. Sweet truck, man. Alright, I'm here with my dad, and he just picked up this pretty sweet 1956 Bel Air. Dad, why don't you tell me a little bit more about your car?
So this is a 1956 Chevy Bel Air. It's called a two-door hardtop and a no post. If you look here, there's no post in between the windows. So they kind of call it the hardtop convertible of its day. This car was professionally restored by a guy named Dickie Jones in Texas, Odessa, Texas. And he has restored over 100 of these cars. They call it a resto-mod because the drivetrain is all modern with disc brakes, a new motor, and air conditioning, and yet all of the outside and interior has all been restored back to its original feel.
And what kind of drivetrain is in this? I think you said, but...
It's got a small block 350 Chevy with a Saginaw 4-speed.
You got a cam in that 350?
Yes, it does. Mild cam. Gets up and moves pretty good.
So this isn't your grandma's Bel Air?
No, this grandma's Bel Air, and now actually grandpa's Bel Air, gets on the freeway pretty damn good. So.
All right, thanks.
No problem.
All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed a little dab into my Saturday morning rituals and enjoyed the
kind of underground classic car culture here in Southern California. If you like this video, stay tuned. I got lots of car videos coming up, or subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a good one. Bye.